lot of snow. See, I can take my hand right out, straight out to the snow. So it's a lot. So I'm so happy they just shuffle this road so I could walk here. I'm sorry about the what do you say? Yeah, the noise. I have to have my hoodie on to my jacket because it's snowing, and it's not that much, but it's snowing and windy, so I just put it on. Oh, it's so nice. I was walking 2 hours in snow like this, and that was very heavy, so earlier today. So yeah, I'm happy. I wasn't sure if I could walk now. It's okay. So I was under the warm blanket for a long time. I shuffled a little bit snow for an hour, but it's so heavy snow, so it was difficult. Come on. Yes. Så pinne gutten. Så pinne gutten. It's very much snow. The dog that we had in the snow is gone because of the new snow. Wait, Hendo. Stand still. Stå stilla. Stand. Good boy. Stand. See? It's very long way down. Oh, it's windy. Come get me. Come get me. Yep. Yeah. This way. This way. Yes. You're walking a walk with your shadow. Hmm? The shadow. Lion King. Huh? Are you the lion? We have so many new friends now, and we appreciate you for all your cute comments and your support, that you come to my premiere and sharing. So like Matskapagiri vlog, The Miles Away, Aspi, oh, I'm sorry, it's slippery here. That is sharing my videos. I forgot what I was saying, but yeah, thank you. And we have tried to put up some videos every day. I take 2 shorts in the morning and 2 short video in the evening, and a premiere this week, so just to try to see how it goes. So yeah, thank you for watching. We love you. Bye, Bombastis.